Hello, welcome to Dashcam Silly Sausages. I'm the driver of this vehicle, the cam vehicle, and this is one of my pet hates. A simple thing like just not being able to indicate. This is the white vehicle in front. Why is it so hard for people to do this? There we go. Look. You can hear me. I mean, I'm taking the mick a bit, but why is it so hard to do? Here's the next clip. Yeah, this one really annoyed me. I'm on the motorway coming back from a job, obviously in the pitch black, and the white van in front of me is on his mobile phone. How I know? Because when I overtook him, and I quickly glanced to the left, you could see him literally obvious and the screen was bright. But have a look and notice how all over the road he is. This van here. He swerves that much, even cars start to overtake and stay in the third lane. If you look carefully, this guy here has got his brakes on. He's put his brakes on because this chap here is all over the place. Look at that, weaving right across. And I'll do the second part to this. Yeah, here's the second part to it. Now you can see that van has gone into the third lane just to keep out of his road, and he's nearly going into the hard shoulder there, and if he comes back over again. And I knew straight away what he was doing. And just quick glance, you can't see it here. Like you say, I'm so annoyed.
Honest to God, like.
Serious, like, it really is, isn't it?
Shocking, man.
Now this next clip, I was doing 60 on the 60-mile-an-hour. I'll have to put the speed on the dash cam. There's a driver in front of me here. He just pulls out, and you may think I'm too far away, but I'm not. I'm a lot closer to what the camera pulls out. I had to slam my brakes on here. This is a 60-mile-an-hour road. He pulls out
Sausage.
just to pull straight back in there again.
The main road and comes back into it like from turning right.
And that's a 60-mile-an-hour road. And it didn't look as if I was going fast, but I was doing 60. And you know, a lot of people say, you're miles behind that driver. I weren't. Believe me, I was not. And here's another one. Pedestrians that just don't give a monkeys, and they're pushing prams as well. Now, there's a pedestrian crossing here where they can cross safely. Now look, they've got the buggies. Something can come round here, just plough straight in it if they're not seeing. And still to this day, they're not even looking or acknowledging me to say sorry or anything like that. They're just casually, not even hurry up, don't give a monkeys. Little glance there. Look at me. Did you see the little glance there? Let's have a look. And they always do this. There's the little glance there to say, aye, aye, aye. Because I know what you're doing. Absolutely. They know they're in the wrong. Yeah, they are stupid sausages. Absolutely does your stroller in. Here's another one. Pedestrians. And this is another pet hate. And I keep saying this every single time I see this as well. Every day. Loads. We change to green, we can go, everybody starts to cross. You know, why? Just wait. Not bothered, are they? Now this driver in front of this car simply just doesn't have a Scooby-Doo. Not this MG, it's the one in front. And the road going across is one way. You can only turn right, and that big blue arrow that says turn right only. Watch what the car does in front. The front one. Starts indicating to go left. Now, I've seen many a times the car actually carries on and goes that way. These people shouldn't be on the road. Whether you're lost or not, or whether it's a new city, the sign is there to tell you. And yet, just blatantly, indicator on. Luckily, realised at the last minute and decided to go the right way.
Trying to turn left down a one-way street. What a silly sausage. Female sausage.
It was a female sausage. And this junction here is notorious for this in Carlisle. Running the lights when they're on red. And there's been minor accidents on here because of this. The white van's gone through the red light. Vehicles that's wanting to come down here crash into them. That's absolutely nuts. That's me ordering my dinner. Now this driver is a sausage with a capital S. Just driving along merrily, and I am not speeding. Oh yeah, how smart. Yeah, causing me to get on the pavement because I can't drive past them in my lane on the road.
What is sausage like?
Have a look again. And I see this all the time as well. What are you doing? 10 sheets to the wind. I've no idea. Good job I can laugh on it. Now this driver I called a triple sausage. And I'll tell you why. It's coming out of the hospital, or one of the hospital buildings. Now this car's coming, he's actually at the wrong, coming out the wrong way, right? I'm supposed to turn left into here, and yet that car is coming out. And not only that, decides to pull out as well without even being aware that that's a giveaway. So in the wrong lane. Well, quadruple sausage actually.
Sausage? Oh, double sausage. Double sausage.
It wasn't. That was a triple sausage. No indication.
And indicators must be broke on the car.
No indication again.
Now that's a proper sausage.
Now this is a classic example why we always have like build up of traffic and stuff in Carlisle, because the amount of ignorance around this city is ridiculous. How people just pull out in front of you to not let you out to prove a point. There we go, look at the white bloke in the white car right out in front to stop you from coming out. Now it could have easily stopped there. He sees me coming. He's not going to go far because it's a traffic jam to the left. That car there, give them the due, they were already going when I was going. But this car here, honestly, it's just plain fat ignorance.
Look at these tools here in front of me. Look at these sausages.
I mean, I will let that one off.
And they pull up and park right outside, right in front of you, to prove a point to say, I'm not letting you out.
And I see this all the time. Buses that can't get out, any vehicles that want to turn right. TWATS?
Yeah. Sausage.
It's a good job I do see the funny side of these, because I have to, because I'd end up going loopy. So there we go. Tune in for more.